Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some more. Oh, think it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it. See what I see in it, I'm typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly. Cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up and how sad. Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let go of the rules, cause there's so much fun. Are you loving it, feeling it, touch me, are you in it? Don't say what you're saying, but typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, please let it go. Oh no, think I did it again. I said a few things that I shouldn't have done. Well, bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly. Cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up and how sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up and now come alive with me and quit the jealousy. I know you're bored, I know it's boring me. Now come alive, baby, get out the grave and live. I know you're bored. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up and how sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up and how does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up and how sad. And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to lay it down. And I feel the spirit guiding, telling me not to give up. Hold on to every promise I've been praying for. Like I hold on to every comment, won't surrender, not tonight.
This is the baby that I was talking to you guys about. As you can see, like it's really long. This it's adjustable, like it can go like really high, as you've seen in the video. Like it's really long. It's a 1.6 meter tripod, and we have ourselves a 10-inch ring light. So this is what I'm going to be using from now on, because I figured I don't like asking people to take videos for me. Like it's really exhaustive. I don't like it at all. So now I can just put my phone over here and I can just do the recording. Yeah, I can just put it over here and I can stand in front of it. Like I can stand in front of the camera and just record myself. So if you have any questions that you'd want to ask me, just the link to the Instagram handle, my Instagram handle, and the RingLights Instagram handle is for me, it's wangoi.yvonne_official, which is right here, and affordable RingLights Kenya. I'll also leave that. So yeah, you can just make sure that you order your ring light and you stand. Yeah, it's really affordable. And now because it's Christmas, you guys, I'm giving it away at a throwaway price. You guys, just go over to my Instagram, off the Instagram handle, and make your order. Like I'm really happy because you guys made the first batch iliisha like really fast. So now we ordered the second batch, which we are waiting for. So for those who have already booked their orders, once they get here, I'll just just contact you, deliver. Yeah, and for the others who haven't yet made their orders, yeah, you can see where to go and how to reach out to me and ask me anything that you want to ask me concerning this baby over here. Yeah, I'm so happy. And it's actually not heavy. Some of you guys have been asking me if it's heavy to carry. It's not heavy. Like, yeah, you can see it's not heavy at all. It's really light. It's not heavy, you guys. It's not heavy, and it can withstand weight. It doesn't fall. It's strong enough. It's stable enough for you to hold your phone over here and your ring light. It's very stable, you guys. So yeah, and the good thing is that it's adjustable. So if I think I'm 5'4", 5'5", I don't know. So I can just adjust it over there, and I can lock over there, and I can take my videos. If for the guys who are 6 feet tall, yeah, I think yeah, this is enough for you guys. Like this is really tall, and yeah, you can take your videos. Like this is so tall. Oh my goodness, this is such a long stand, you guys. So yeah, we've finally come to the end of the video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you do like this video, like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. If anyone you know wants to buy a stand and a ring light, just hit me up, ask me anything, and I will definitely hook you up. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.